this video, I'm going to take you through how to create a business card. This is for iPhone users. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like the video, and then turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So first of all, before you can create your business card, you will need an app. Yes, so quickly you go to App Store. When you go to App Store, then you search for Business Card Maker. You search for Business Card Maker. When you search for the Business Card Maker, you will see so many of the apps. You see so many of the apps. So I'm going to show you the one I'm using. Yeah, so this is the one I'm using, Business Card Maker. You see how it is. Yeah, so I have already downloaded. So all I'll do is to just open it, click to open. But if you have not downloaded, you need to click to download. So I'll open my business card. So this is the first interface you are going to see when you open your business card maker. So the first one, we have create your own business card maker or create your own business card. Yes, so this is for advanced people, those who already know how to design. Yeah, so if you are creating your own, you need to start from scratch. Yeah, so let me click on it for you to see. Create your own. So you choose how do you want the business card to look like. Do you want it to be in a square form? Do you want it to be in a portrait? Yes, so you can see you choose the size and then the style you want it to be like. So let's go back. This is for advanced graphic designers. Yeah, so as a beginner, let's go back. So as a beginner, you will have to choose any of these templates. So all these are templates you can choose. All you need to do is to click on the template and then you edit to suit how you want it to be like. But the ones you are seeing rating pro on them, with the pro, if you want to use it, you will have to pay or you will have to buy. Yes, but apart from that, all those without the pro are free. So let's quickly choose a template and then we see how we can edit. So I'm going to choose this template. You will see art displaying. All you need to do is to wait a while and then click on the close or exit button to cancel the ads, and then you proceed with your work. You cancel the ads and then you continue. So this is the business card I want to edit. So I'll click on edit. When you click on edit, I'll first of all edit the image. I'll click on the image. And then here you can see edit. You can see erase, you can see control, rotation, you can see size and crop. So you can play with all this. So I'm going to edit. So I click on edit. Now when you click on edit, you will have to choose an image from your gallery. So choose an image. Do you want to take a photo or you want to choose from your library or your gallery? So I select from library. Then it will take you to your gallery. So I'm going to choose an image. I'll choose an image. So if you want to crop it, you can crop it to make it fine. So I'll leave it this way. Then I check it out. So you can see you can either increase it or you decrease it. Just place your finger on the image and then you can either increase or decrease the picture. So you see, so now we are going to edit the name. We are now going to edit the name. So all you need to do is to click on the name and then you click on edit. So you put your name. After you put your name, you check it out and then Down here we have, I'm a graphic designer. I have 1+ year of experience in same field, so you can click to edit that. So you can say I'm a copywriter. So you can choose, you can edit it the way you want it to be. What do? You can explain it here, so you check it out. Then we have the website here. If you have a website, then you can edit. If you don't also have a website, you can cancel that. So www.moneyliterate.com. So then you check it. Then we have the email here. Click on it. When you click on it, then you click on edit, and then you change the email. So this is my email, ntibaba@gmail.com. You check it out. And then the phone number too, you can edit the phone number. Click on edit. Then you edit the phone number. So 00233 054193234. Then you check it out. Then the location, click on it. Click on it. When you click on it, then you click on edit. Then you change the location. So we have Tamale, Ghana. So then you check it out. So you can position this very well. If you also want to increase the size of it, you can do so. So you can see, you can do so. Then after you are done, you position it very well. Yes. So as I told you earlier on, you can increase the size of anything. So you can see size. If you want, you can crop. You can change the color of any text. You can change the opacity. So let's say you want to change the color of my email. So I click on the email. Then you scroll down, you see color. You click on color. And then so you can see how it is. Yes. So if you want to change the texture to, you can, that's the texture solid. You can change the color to suit the color you want it to be like. Yes. Then after you are done, all you need to do is to save your work. So click on save. Could you like to remove watermark? No. Then how do you want to save it? Do you want to save it as PDF? Do you want to save it as PNG, JPEG? Yes, so I'm going to save it as PNG. So I click on save. So you wait for the art to finish, then you cancel the art. Yes, so it has been saved successfully. So when you go to your gallery, you can see your work. So I go to my gallery, and then you can see your work. Nice work. So that is that. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like the video. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us how you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching.